Hi, welcome to CJ Why Money Entertainment. I'm here to entertain you. Now, let's see what I have in this package. Hi, honeybees. That's my subscribers. They are awesome. Let's see what's in here. And if you've never been to my channel before, I open up things and stuff and things, and then I cook with them things and stuff. And welcome. Wow. Wow. This is definitely tech. This is an aluminum charging station. This charges anything with a lightning cable. So if you have an iPod, any types of iPhones, any size iPads, it's all about the Apple crunch. It charges this, and then guess what it also does? It charges your Apple Watch as well. So we're gonna really get into this. This is a unique, compact pad, and it's versatile. It is a charging dock station. Now I have a charging station. You just line everything up, take the cords, plug it all in. But this has a built-in 2 USB ports to charge that Apple Watch and the iPhone, iPad, iPod, It also has 3 USB ports in the back to charge other devices. Let's open it up and see how it looks. This is a unit I'm going to have to put together. Okay. See, this is how it comes in the box. One thing I can say is I've read a lot of reviews and people say that it's lightweight. I totally disagree. This feels nice and solid. It does have the 3 ports in the back. It does have the plug to plug it in the back. And it comes with the cord. It comes with the bracket. It comes with a sticky thing, rubber, and a manual. Do nothing without reading the instructions first. So I'm going to read these instructions. Then I'm going to show you how I put this together. And then I'll be back. This is everything that it comes with. This right here is the dock. And over there is the cord, bracket, the 3D pad, and there's the 3 USBs in the back, and where it also gets plugged in at. Get up close. Okay, then you lift up the lid, and in the lid, there's a little package. In this package, you have the adapters for either a case or without a case. And you get 2. You also have straps to strap in your cord. Then you have your piece for the phone, and you have that piece for the iWatch. Inside here is the USB, the 2 USB. One is for this iPhone, and the other one is for your phone. This unit just pops in here, and the iPhone cord comes up through here. And it gets strapped down here below, and it comes up. Now in here, you just fish this through, and you fish it through the unit, which will end up being plugged into there. So this is what I'm doing now, and then I'll plug it to the inside. The problem I see here is it's not fitting this adapter up front. It's not flushed. So I'm changing the cord to an Apple cord, and the Apple cord is much smaller than the rope cord. The Apple cord is much thinner, so it's able to fit the adapter where this rope cord isn't. Plus it can also fit underneath and wrap around to go under the lid. See, it's able to fit the changeable adapters. So you're going to need to use the Apple or a rubber cord. If you want more information or looking for this. It's in my link below, as well as the smartwatch and the battery charger. Right here is that goes around so it doesn't scratch your phone. Make sure you start from the bottom to the top to get rid of the air bubbles and to make sure it goes all the way around. This is the rubber that's also at the bottom, which cause it not to scratch the surface. You just lean it on there and put it in and screw it. And it's good that it has the rubber because you're able to adjust it for whatever iPhone or Lightning device that you're using. And once you put it in, you're able to slide it back and forth without anything scratching. There's my iPhone 6s Plus. There is my special smartwatch that I was able to still hook up. Over here is the adapter. It fit with a phone case charger. Wrapped good. And then this way you don't have to worry about the case even coming off. Let's lift this off. And look how sturdy that is. It's still holding on. So it doesn't really fall off. Just twist it a little bit. And it comes right off. And that's because I do have a case on here. It's a little wallet case. Throw them likes up and subscribe. Follow me on my social media.